Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make a super budget-friendly dessert with only 4 ingredients. My sugar-free mint chocolate mousse is creamy, rich and ready in no time at all. So let's get to it. I'm using a store-bought sugar-free mint chocolate bar with 70% cocoa solids and that weighs exactly 100 grams. To add a touch of sweetness and prevent the mousse from going too solid, 10 ml of agave syrup. And now 100 ml of full-fat milk. Now put the bowl on a pot with barely simmering water and gently melt the chocolate into the milk. You'll have a smooth and runny ganache in no time at all. Set it aside for now. While the ganache cools down a bit, whip 150 ml of very cold whipping cream to a medium peak. I prefer to do this by hand for maximum control. Fold in about 1/3 of the whipped cream into the room temperature ganache. Then pour this gorgeous chocolate mixture into the whipped cream and mix it in. I like to start with the whisk, it's easier for me this way, but then I finish with the spatula to make sure my mousse is perfectly homogeneous. Then, spoon the mousse into your serving glasses and level the surface with the back of the spoon. Refrigerate the mousse for at least 3 hours. After that, to enhance the mint flavor, decorate it with some fresh mint leaves. It's super creamy and velvety smooth and doesn't require any other thickening agent. There's enough fat from the whipping cream, the milk and the chocolate itself to set it completely. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, Dessertophiles!